Hello, everyone. I would like to welcome all of the parents and students to our first virtual open house. This virtual open house is for our third grade students. I'd like to welcome you on behalf of Superintendent John Jacobs and the Randolph County Board of Education. As virtual students, we ask that you stay virtual students for at least the first 9 weeks of this school year, if not longer. The first day of school for virtual students is scheduled to be August 27th, which is this Thursday. That may vary by day and time, depending on grade level and subject area, but your teachers will be in contact with you about starting assignments. I would like to introduce you to Mr. Kalen Daniel. He is our technology coordinator for the district.
Hello, everyone. By now, your school should have contacted you to pick up your child's Chromebook. If they have not contacted you, please reach out and contact the school, as these Chromebooks will be important. Support this year will be provided by the teacher for any programs that are being used in the course. Support for Chromebooks will be provided by the media specialist at your school. And we've created a website for parents and students that will help you with the programs that we're using and the different platforms that we're using. And this website can be found at by going to the randolphboe.org website and go into the technology department. And there'll be a link that's Parent Academy for Technology. And this website will constantly be being updated so that you can check back regularly for things that we are using. We'll be using multiple tools this year. Chromebooks will be the first one. Chromebooks are being provided by the school so that you can access all of the other platforms. Login to the Chromebooks will be by the student's school email address. If you are a returning student, it's the same password that you used when you left school in the spring. If you are a new student, you will receive this password and email address from your teacher. And if this email or if the password needs to be reset, just please contact your teacher and they'll get with me to reset that password. All instruction will be delivered through Schoology. You can log into Schoology at randolphboe.schoology.com. Your login will be your school email address and password. All announcements, assignments, links, any other course materials will be posted in Schoology, and you will submit things back to your teacher through Schoology. We will be using some other programs, and that will be its teacher's discretion, but those other programs could include iExcel, STAR, Google Meet, Schools PLP, Epic Books, and really it's anything else that the teacher feels necessary for the instruction of your student. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me at the Randolph County Board of Education's 256-357-4611, extension 2015. Or you can email me, cdaniel@randolphboe.org.
Thanks, Mr. Daniel. Now I'd like to introduce your teachers for third grade virtual this year. I'll start with Mr. Scotty Patillo. Coach Patillo is housed at Woodland High School, and he will be your PE teacher.
Hey, third grade, how y'all doing? Again, I'm Scotty Patillo. I'll be your PE teacher this year. So I'm looking forward to having a great year with you guys. I'm looking forward to having a lot of fun, having some exercises for you guys to do and some fun games and giving you some fun information to keep you healthy and keep you physically fit. So I'm looking forward to it. And again, if you need me for anything, my email will be on Schoology. You can contact me through email, or you'll see my classroom phone on there and extension on that as well. So if you need me for anything, feel free to contact me. I'm glad to help. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Coach Patillo. Next, I would like to introduce you to Mrs. Amy Richardson. She is your English language arts and reading teacher for third grade, and she is also the assistant principal at Wadley High School. Ms. Richardson.
Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited. I know the school's going to look different a little bit this year for virtual learners, but we're going to try to make it as fun as possible and cover as much as we can. So the best way to get in touch with me is through the messages on Schoology, and then my email is also on Schoology, but it's arichardson@randolphboe.org. I look forward to meeting everybody. Please make sure that you log on every day. And Ms. Hall is going to go over a couple of things that we're doing the same to keep it easier for you. So when Ms. Braden turns that over, she'll go over some of the requirements that she and I both have agreed to have for the course.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Richardson. And I would like to reiterate the point that Ms. Richardson made about attendance. Your teachers will be giving you a daily assignment or question or something that you have to respond to so that they will know that you're in attendance every day. So I ask that you please respond to these so that they can keep up with your attendance, and that's very important. Next, I would like to introduce to you Miss Crystal Hall. She will be your math teacher for 3rd grade.
Hello, my name is Miss Hall, and I'm going to teach you guys 3rd grade math. In this class, we will have classwork, videos, discussion questions, and Google Meetings. Items are graded, so please be aware. Also, attendance is a mandatory thing. We're excited to have you guys with us. I have posted my contact information. My office hours are going to be 8 to 3. All of this is going to be on in Schoology. Please make sure you guys have a quiet place to do your work and be able to interact with us in class. We are using the Alabama standards, and we will have online resources, programs, and additional reinforcement materials. I am super excited to be part of the Randolph County Virtual Classroom, and I cannot wait to meet you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks, Ms. Hall. I do want to tell parents that all of the links that we have discussed during this open house will be provided to your classroom teachers so that they can send you that information by email. So if you have any questions, again, my name is Jennifer Braden, and I'm the curriculum coordinator for the district. You may contact me here at the Randolph County Board of Education, 256-357-4611, extension 2013, or you may email me at jbraden@randolphboe.org. Thank you.